Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. Today we are just going to talk about why immigrants are struggling to get their first job in New Zealand. Whenever they apply for the job, maximum student got rejection. What is the reason behind it? Why they got more of rejection when they applying for the job? So let's talk about in this video. So what's the reason behind it? So let's talk about. Hi everyone, this is Balwinder. Today I'm going to talk about why immigrants are struggling to get their job in New Zealand. Whenever they apply for the job, they got rejection. चाहे वो IT the student है, चाहे वो business the student है, maximum student getting rejection from the job. What's the reason behind it? I'm going to talk about. The first reason is lack of practical skills. Due to the lack of practical skills, no one offered them a job. Why? Because they have a very good theoretical knowledge. They did their study. उन्होंने बहुत बढ़िया theoretical knowledge है, but due to the lack of practical skills, they are facing the problem. जब भी interview ਲਈ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਆ ਤਾਂ employer expectations, they said we need a guy who have a good practical skills because theoretical is totally different from the practical, right? जो तुसी theoretical ਕਰਦੇ हो, जो भी तुसी theoretical study पढ़ी है, this is completely different when you are going to perform a job. So this is the main reason, lack of practical skills. Students, immigrants are facing a problem to getting their job in their field. The second reason, they select the wrong course. Whenever they apply to come in New Zealand, they get panicked, right? So due to that, they select the wrong course. Even though they don't know what is IT. Let's example, the students just enroll in an IT course even though they don't know what is IT. Just to come in New Zealand, उन्होंने अपना course ही wrong select किया होता है. Even though some agents just recommend some wrong course and they get a wrong course and they come in New Zealand, they are facing the same problem if they do not have an interest in IT. It's the same vice versa. I'm going to talk about the business studies one. The student who did a business study in their home country, they came in New Zealand, they get a hospitality course, they got a management courses, and they got a IT courses. So even though they do not have an interest in that. So this is the main problem. This is the main problem. They get the rejections and they do not get the job in New Zealand. The third main biggest reason why they are not getting the jobs, the student have a very good theoretical knowledge. They have a very good background, they have a very good experience, like they have a very good practical skills, but still they are facing the same problem. Why? Because they didn't research on the New Zealand market. What the New Zealand is demanding for. They have to research on it, what is going in the trend and what the industry is demanding for, and which industry have a higher demand for the job. So they have to research on it. Look guys, I have been in this industry from last 2 to 3 years. I have been total of hundreds of students in New Zealand and I'm providing them industrial based training. Now, what is industrial based training guys? Key hai industrial based training. Chori vi tusi study kiti hai New Zealand, whatever you have learned in New Zealand, you need to get some practical training. You need to be work with the teams. So in the industrial based training, you got a chance to work with the teams where you can enhance your practical skills, where you can talk with other people and where you can find it what's going on with the projects, where you can work on some live projects and where you can do some research and development. If you're facing a lot of problem during the job, you get a chance to fix it and you get a chance to enhance your skills. So that's the main experience you needed. So guys, if you've been in New Zealand, if you are in New Zealand and if you are facing the problem, get the industrial based training. Ehi quick solution hai where you can get the industrial based training. Even though if you are a business student, find out who is providing a business industrial training. It depends on you what kind of subjects you learn it. So find out the industrial based training where you can get it. Same vice versa, if you are an IT student, we NZISD, we are providing a industrial based training in IT. We have taught around hundreds of students and a lot of students getting job through our program. At same now these days guys, the digital marketing area is very going up, right? So what does it mean? If you're a business student and if you have learned a business analyst, if you learn digital marketing, if you have a background with the marketing as well, whether this is the business marketing, get the industrial based training in a digital marketing. This is a very good scope at the moment, and we are providing that kind of industrial training too. So you can contact with us in regards to industrial training, or if you have any kind of questions, do let us know. We are more than happy to help, even though if we are not providing that training, but we can recommend you to someone else, right? So here guys, get the industrial based training. This is the only solution. I have a lot of students who have a same question. So get the industrial training guys. This is the main solution and biggest solution for that, right? So guys, just share this videos with your friends if you're in college, and if your friends need it. Even though I help a lot of students, just share with this video with your friends, family who need this one, who are facing the problem in New Zealand to getting the job, so that they have to know that what is the industrial training and how they can get it. So I hope that will be help you out. Share with your friends. Have any kind of questions, let us know. Sada number niche board there, right? You can call us. We will more than happy to help you. So thank you so much guys.